Okay, so the Better Self app is an app that, having done much research on, I see it as an app that is going to be of great importance to the community, especially to human psychology and human mentality. Being a graduate of philosophy and psychology and being an artificial intelligence prompt engineer, I can tell you for sure that from my researches, this app is really going to be a bomb. This app is really going to help human beings psychologically. It's going to help you understand the better version of yourself. It's going to help you be the best version of yourself also. Now picture it that you went to you go out for work on a particular day and you're not able to achieve a whole lot for that day. You come back to this app which you see as a mirror of yourself, just like you are being advised to sometimes by therapists or by psychologists to always look in the mirror and talk to yourself in the mirror, and it makes you feel better. And this app, just like the mirror, is going to help you build self-confidence. It's going to help you boost that reliance you have in yourself. It's going to help you build that that stronghold you have for whatever you want to achieve. Now, looking at yourself in the mirror sometimes helps you get motivated. Of course, you can look in the mirror and say, "Hi, Patrick. I am a billionaire. I'm a millionaire. I'm going to make this. I'm going to make that. I'm going to become the greatest UI UX designer. I'm going to be the greatest software developer." You look at yourself in the mirror and say, "Yes, I can achieve this. Yes, I am strong. Yes, I can pass through this, and I'm going to come out successful." Now, this is just simply what the AI powered app does. It becomes that mirror of yourself where you look at yourself, give yourself that motivation, and then it talks back to you and tells you, yes, I believe you can do this. So many people have passed through this particular stage, and this is where they are at the moment. So if they can, you yourself can. Now, this AI gives you back a better version of yourself and tells you in the next 2 years, if you continue to do this, continue to do that, you're going to become better and you're going to become the best. And then you see that some people, of course, some people find it difficult to share their secrets with people. Some people find it difficult to complain to fellow humans or to their neighbors. But then with this particular app, you kind of have that privacy, you kind of have that secrecy where you discuss with this AI powered app, and then it tells you all you need to know. You share your deepest secrets with it. You tell it how you feel. Freely express yourself to the AI app, and it is going to in your own mirror tell you or motivate you and tell you all you need to do in order to achieve those set out goals. And when you do not achieve those goals, this app is also going to tell you, yes, you did not achieve this, but know that where you were yesterday is not the same place you are today because you have made a step forward. And then with that, you see that you build self confidence in yourself, and then know that you are psychologically stable, and then you can always be a better version of yourself. So the better self app is an app that is actually going to respect the privacy of people, because the company herself respects human privacy and respects the fact that every man is entitled to his or her secrets. um, and then the better self app is an app that is going to grant you the free access to allow or to deny access to, for instance, of course, your face is also your privacy, your voice is your privacy. So the app is, before making use of this particular app, the app would ask for a permission to allow or deny access to your face, to your voice, and then to your promptings. So it's now left for you to allow or to deny. But then there's this certainty there that the app is definitely going to keep hold of whatever you have told it. It's going to be like a non third party engagement. There's going to be no third party engaged in it. It's like an end to end encryption. So it's going to be end to end encrypted. So whatever you have discussed with the app remains also with the app. One of the reasons why a selected few fail to go to the psychologist or to the therapist to discuss their issues is the fear of being charged. Or let's say they have no intention to pay to get such services, or they have no capability to pay for such services. And owing to the fact that there are also we are looking at inclusion here, that is by not segregating between those who are rich or those who are poor or those in the rural area or those in the urban area. It's an app that is generally built for the consumption of everyone, no matter where you are, no matter whom you are, and no matter your status in the society. So making it a paid version is really going to disturb and is really going to be non-efficient for people who are in the rural areas, who are in the rural areas who would not have the financial capability to pay for this service. So we are definitely going to leave it at being accessible by everyone, anytime and anywhere. All right, so you have heard a whole lot about the Better Self app, and something I'm going to give out to you is an encouragement to make use of this Better Self app. You can be a better version of yourself. All you need to do is to speak out, speak up, talk to the AI model, let it be a mirror of yourself, let it be a reflection of yourself, and then let it get to assist you being a better version of yourself. My name is Patrick Okafo, and I am an artificial intelligence prompt engineer and a graduate of philosophy and psychology. And I promise you, this is going to be an app you are going to fall in love with, and it's definitely going to help you become a better version of yourself.